Today I am going to narrate a short story on the topic The Magic Cup. Tangpo Dingpo, there was a beautiful village hidden deep inside the mountains. Almost all the people in the village were very rich and prosperous, except for Dutu. He lived all by himself. He lived off the small piece of land, but what he grew on the small piece of land wasn't enough. So often he had to beg for a living. Amzam, can you give me some food? I haven't eaten for several days now. I will be grateful if you give me some food. I am so grateful, Amma. I don't want to see you here at my door begging next time. If you want food, you have to work for it. Go away now. Now I will sow maize on my own land. Then I don't want to see those cruel, heartless people. People here have everything at their disposal. They eat the best food. Yet they can't even spare some food without saying something nasty to me. I am counting on you. All of you must grow into healthy plants so that I will have something to survive on. Well, the work is done. I will rest for a while. Shh! You crows! How dare you eat my meats? I won't leave you all. Look what you have done. I am going to kill you. You ate all my maize. I will not leave you today. I am going to kill you. Please spare my life. I will give you something that will help you. What is that? I will give you something that will provide food for you. What? Release me first. Here, keep this cup. Ask for food and this cup will provide. Now, will you let me go? Alright. Magic cup. Can I have beef, puff and rice? And jaju. So, does this work? As the crow said, this cup is indeed amazing. It provides food. I will never go hungry again. To quench my thirst, can I have milk? Since the magic cup provided all the food to Dutu, many months passed without begging. Amzam was suspicious. Why? What must have happened to Dutu? It's been many months since Dutu came begging. Did he die of hunger? Whatever, I must go and check on him. I am tired of eating meat all the time. Today I want to eat kuli and hot emadati. Also serve me pumpkin jaju and some buttermilk. No wonder this poor boy didn't turn up at my door to ask for food. I must have this magic cup. Let me see how he will live without the cup. Do as I say. Okay, mother. Kuzu Zangpo. It is a surprise to see mother and son here. We came here to seek your help. Why, help? How can I help you? It's been a few days since I lost one of my productive cows. I want to ask you if you could accompany Karma and look for the cow. It is the most easiest thing to do. Alright, Amma. Dutu, you know the forest is infested with wild animals. Yes, I know. Don't worry. I will make sure your cow is found no matter what. Alu, thank you so much. I will rest for a while. I am tired. Must be my old age. Two of you carry on, Alu. Alright, Amma. Walk slowly to your home. It is mine now. We have searched for the cow everywhere. I think a tiger must have eaten it for a meal. What a pity. What to do? We look for it everywhere. Please tell your mother the same. Thank you for coming along with me. Don't say that. Alright then. We should head home before it becomes dark. Now, serve me red rice and sikkim. What's wrong with this cup today? Okay, then serve me imadasi and rice. Look like I will have to sleep hungry. I have been looking for you all over the place. Where have you been? What do you have to look for me? Since yesterday, it stopped giving me food. Why did you lie to me? Don't worry, I will give you something else. Putu, this is wooden goat. If you pat 3 times on its back, it will cough out all coins. You will have enough for the rest of your life. Thank you, Micro. I owe my life to you. I will be rich now. Then Putu builds a nice house in place of the hut. He also owned cows and horses. Putu became rich too. Micro, again, somebody stole my wooden goat. You must help me get it back. That someone is the wicked rich woman, Amzam. Really? We must teach her a lesson. What's this? This is a magic stick. Tap the stick thrice on the ground and it will obey your command. Thank you, Micro. Where are you coming from, Daubutu? What are you going to do with that stick? Come down and take a look. It's a magic stick. Wait and watch. Magic stick. Don't rest till you bring my magic cup and the wooden goat. Please stop it, Daubutu. I beg you. Please ask your stick to stop. I will return your wooden goat and magic cup. We regret, Daubutu. I stole both magic cup and goat from you. Please forgive me for my mistake. From that day onwards, Amzam and her son never bothered Dauputsu again. He lived a happy life thereafter. If you like this story, please like, share, and subscribe. Until then, thanks for being with me. Thank you.